Day 4 and it's rainy.
Day 4.
We're heading to Victoria.
Cruise ship.
Yeah, oh. There's some cruise ships in here right now.
Charles, right there. There's a cruise ship.
I think this one too.
Ooh. Day 4.
Day 4. There's a cruise ship right there. There's one in here too.
They're coming down.
Hello everyone! Welcome again to the vlog! Today we're up bright and early kasi pupunta kami Victoria! This is around 6 a.m. kasi we have to be at the port 1 hour or 30 minutes before departure. And it's an hour drive from our hotel to the port. So ito na nga, papasok na kami. We made it like 2 minutes before the cutoff. It's cheaper pala to book online than to pay at the port. So, insert ko na lang kung magkano binayaran namin total one way. Ito na, magpapark na kami sa loob ng ferry. After nyan, pwede ka na maglibot-libot sa taas dun sa mga passenger seats. Also, if you're hungry, may breakfast silang siniserve. But you have to pay. After namin i-park yung car, nagpunta na kami dito sa view deck. 1 hour and 30 minutes pala to get to Victoria. Kaya naglibot-libot muna kami. Marami rin magagawa kasi may mga play areas and arcade.
Ocean!
After nun, we're here! First stop is Chinatown, for sure. After namin mag-park, may famous street dito which is Fantan Alley. It's known to be the smallest street in Canada. Tama-tama nga, sa end ng alley na to, may Filipino bakery. So we had our Spanish bread.
Sa Harry Potter.
Masaya siguro pumunta dito sa gabi kasi may mga brewery, restaurants, and the most important part, clean washroom. May nakita nga yung kids na naglalaro ng water dito. So, ayan, nakigaya din sila. Yun pala, it's a drinking fountain. Diba? Ang cute ng itsura niya, pataas. Ang cute ng street nito, maraming local businesses. Plus, at the end, meron bridge na, you know, yung nakahati and tumataas. Dito na nga lang po muna. See you on our next vlog. Bye!